Alright, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro, because Apple is about to drop it, and honestly, this feels like one of those years where the upgrade actually matters. The launch is expected on September 9th, and yeah, there will be a bunch of models, the regular iPhone 17, a lighter Air version, the Pro Max, but let's be real. The spotlight is on the Pro. Now, cameras first, because for most of us, that's what makes or breaks a phone these days. Apple's finally bringing a 48 megapixel periscope zoom lens. About time, right? Up to 10x lossless zoom, which means you can snap something far away and it'll still look sharp instead of turning into a blurry mess. And for selfies? Big jump too. The front camera is going from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels. So whether it's FaceTime, vlogging, or just spamming your friends with selfies, it's gonna look way better. But here's where it gets crazy. 8K video recording. Apple already sets the standard for video on a phone, and now they're basically saying, okay, let's make it cinema level. For creators, that's huge. For the average person, it just means your videos are going to look insanely sharp on big screens. Design-wise, Apple might finally shake things up. Instead of that same triple camera square we've had for years, leaks suggest a camera bar across the back. Honestly, it looks cleaner, more futuristic. But here's a twist that not everyone will like. Apple could switch the Pro frame from titanium back to aluminum. Lighter, yes. Stronger? Not really. Some people will call that a downgrade. Underneath, though, it's all power. The A19 Pro chip should be faster, smarter, and more efficient. They're also boosting the RAM to 12 gigabytes, which matters a lot now that Apple's rolling out all this new AI stuff. And to keep things cool, literally, there's rumored to be a new vapor chamber cooling system. So if you're gaming for hours or shooting 8K video, your phone won't start cooking itself. Now, the price might climb by about $50, but Apple's easing the sting by making 256 gigabytes the base storage. Fair trade, especially if you're filming giant 8K clips. And hey, new colors too. An orange Pro iPhone. Bold move, Apple. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.